with your First Alert Storm Team forecast.
All right, after a round of weekend thunderstorms, we have cleared out nicely today. High pressure is now in firm control. That cold front that brought those high winds Saturday night and Sunday morning is now well out into the Atlantic and moving away. So with that high in charge, the air is very dry. In fact, dew points have plummeted here, teens and 20s, so that's extremely dry air in place over most of the southeast, including right here on the Gulf Coast. A look outside at a cloud-free sky, well, mostly cloud-free. A couple of thin clouds are starting to sneak into the area off in the western sky. Grand Hotel Point clear. This is looking north from our GMC cam. And if you look closely, there's a little bit of haze looking north there in the lowest levels. There's some range burning going on. Typically, and get into the winter months, some farmers start burning their fields. And so that's what we believe you're seeing here. Now, Pensacola Beach, our camera from the generator guys looking off to the east here at the Portofino Resort. We're starting to get that golden glow cast on the Portofino this evening. Right now, if you were to step outside, your current temperature is 52 in Fairhope, 55 for Mobile. Pensacola checking in at 56. Same for Crestview, Florida. A little bit cooler as you head up towards Grove Hill and Monroeville, both checking in at 51. Same for Leakesville, Mississippi. And the winds are very light, still coming out of the north. That will become northeasterly tonight, a sign of a changing wind direction that will be noted for the daytime tomorrow. So a colder night ahead for the region, down to 37 in the port city. I think inland areas will flirt with freezing around mid-40s at the coast. One of those spots that could hit freezing is Monroeville. Most of our models have been projecting that around 33 in Chatham. I think Lucedale, Mississippi gets down to 36 tomorrow morning, matching Loxley, Bay Minette, Milton, and Molino, Florida. And you can see those 40s there right along the immediate coastline. Tomorrow, we will warm up. We will get milder than today. I think we'll jump back into the lower and middle 60s. Starting off with some sunshine early in the day, but we will start to cloud up as we head into the afternoon. And that will be ahead of your next big rainmaker. So the predictor is mostly quiet tonight, perhaps a few high clouds early on, some of those high thin cirrus clouds, and then late in the day some thicker cloud cover moving in as we head towards tomorrow evening. And here comes the rain. Most of that's going to move in after 9 p.m. Will come in a couple of batches. Now there could be some thunderstorms embedded within this, especially along the coast and south of I-10. So a bit of a stormy start potentially there to your Wednesday morning, especially if you're in northwest Florida and South Baldwin. But that thing will move out of here quickly. It could leave some lingering cloud cover around. And in terms of rain potential from this, not all that impressive. Most areas will end up about an inch, maybe as much as an inch and a half along the coast. That will be followed by a push of much colder air, and that comes in late in the week. So if you are heading out to those late week Mardi Gras parades for the Order of Polka Dots Thursday, Order of Inca, and of course Apollo's Mystic Ladies over at 5 p.m. in Daphne on Friday, it is looking cold. Highs in the 40s and 50s, lows in the 20s. Another weak rainmaker will roll in for the weekend. Easy for me to say.
3 times, Ed.